We at Horst Shewmaker get asked a lot of times right after a rear end collision happens, what is my rear end collision case worth? And the true answer is, we are not sure, and anyone who tells you otherwise is just trying to lead you down a different path. The bottom line is this: no two collisions are the same, no two clients are the same, no two cases are the same. The one good thing about a rear end collision case is, for the most part, we already know who's at fault, the person who hit you. But the rest of the value of the case depends on the type of medical care you had, how bad the wreck is, what your medical bills add up to, whether or not you're going to end up having to file a lawsuit, where that lawsuit may be filed. There are a lot of different factors that go into this that we take into consideration as your attorneys. As your counselors, we counsel you through that process. We help you understand every step of the way what we may need to do in order to maximize the value to you. So long story short, what is your rear end collision case worth? We do not know until we get involved. So please give us a call.